All right, so today, guys, our job is to revise our sentence, okay, and make it a little bit better. I give you some clues about how you can talk about how they streamed down her face. You could make it a simile, which is what I think I'm going to do, and then talk about maybe how Jane took that step, okay? So let's start with tears streamed down Laura's face like, okay, and I'm going to compare it to something, like rain on a window, comma, and Jane took a concerned step toward her. Okay, so I just added a little bit more detail, revised it, and just made it a little bit more interesting, even though it's a great sentence already. Okay, so try maybe to add a little bit more detail. If you can't think of anything, I guess you can write mine, but I really would like you to come up with your own revisions.